Test, test, test.
Hello, this is Kelly,
I'm Dan.
and we're with RVacation4Life. And welcome back. If you saw our first video, this is our second video, so we're excited to get started.
I'm sure we're a lot better than we were last time.
No, actually, our last one we did it on our first take, so I have to do a little disclaimer. We said we we're going to be real. This is our second time recording this, and we almost didn't get to do it because my husband was a little upset. So we went fast and quick, but we're going to go with it. And what we want to do is
Do some pros and cons on making the big jump.
yes, it's very important. This might not apply to everything, but as long as you take away maybe one or two things. What are we doing?
Trying to block out this light.
Okay, we could do this. How's that?
That's probably better.
See
Sorry,
how-
folks.
See how we work together?
Right.
But anyway, so what were we saying? Pros and cons.
The pros and cons.
Okay.
I don't have a whole lot of cons. I really don't. This is what I've always wanted to do. I love the road. I've worked on the road. So I've traveled all over the western United States with my job, and I've seen a lot of beautiful things. And Kelly has never gone anywhere.
No.
So we're going to go back to the places that I've been to, all the national parks in the West. Well, actually, everywhere now. I've never been to the Keys. I want to go to the Keys. So we want to travel all over the place and see all these beautiful places. What was the rest of my spiel?
Well, then now I gotta go. So
Yeah, right. So now we get to go.
We get to go together. So
Right.
Some benefits about that too is obviously I haven't gone, and traveling is obviously one of the pros with everybody. But the other thing that's kind of cool is to have a new backyard all the time. Was to me is a pro. You know, you aren't living in the same place, seeing the same thing over and over again. So that was a pro for us.
My only con is in the cooking department. I do all the cooking here. Kelly cooks pans and pots.
And I'm lucky to get that done.
Right, and they burn. But
Sidetracked.
I do all the cooking here, and I can always cook outside. I know that and stuff, grilling or whatever it is. But I'm always cook fresh food. We eat very good here, so I'm always wondering about how that's going to work out. But I think we'll be fine. It's just the food storage thing, and it's something I'm going to have to learn. So I love to cook, and that's pretty much what I like to do, and we'll see how that works out.
So the pro on that would be good fresh food. I also think kind of sitting at a picnic table. I don't know what maybe after years and years it probably won't have the same effect, but it's kind of like a vacation-y feel, even though we'll still be working. Con that I would take on that would be no fast food. Because I do like a good fat burger every once in a while.
I can't do that.
So that would be a con. Although not to say we aren't going to be places where we still can't do that. So the other pro that we did is it's kind of cool when you do take vacations. A lot of times you can go to a hotel, and with all the bed bugs and everything that's going on. With the RV, you're going to be sleeping in your bed constantly.
Right.
And so, if you've got a good mattress and you sleep well on it, guess what? You're going to sleep good all the time.
All right. Yeah, that's the pro about that is you're hauling your stuff.
Which is-
yeah.
Well, and we kind of laughed because one of our vacations that we did take, I forgot something very crucial to your gear of getting dressed. And so we had to go out and buy some. So I'll never forget them again with the RV, which will be fun. So another, I would say probably a con, I'll go with that, is definitely missing family and friends.
Right.
We're going to be traveling, and but good part about that is they can come see us.
Right, if they want to travel and they can chase us around.
Yeah, because we'll be moving.
Right.
And then
hopefully we'll be moving.
Yeah, and then hopefully we'll make lots of new friends. So kind of excited about that too.
Pro part of it is to me, it's all pro. I mean, as soon as we have to go through the sale of everything in our house, and then the sale of our house, which we don't need half the stuff that we have. Some of this stuff I've moved. We move a lot, house to house, in the same area, but we move a lot, house to
Sorry.
house. But some of the boxes I've moved from house to house for 5 years. It's the same stuff. What are we doing with this stuff that we haven't even opened? So we're going to narrow it down into stuff that we absolutely have to live on, and nothing else. So there's really no reason to be carrying stuff that you don't need.
And I'm trying really hard. I've started kind of putting a lot of stuff together and pretending I'm in a small closet. So I got rid of a lot of stuff. This
Star of the show.
A lady, by the way, she's a Tweenie. But that's going to be a hard part, going from 1,500 square feet to about, what'd you say?
400, a little bit less than 400.
Yeah, so that's quite a bit. And I'm a typical
Not for me.
woman. No, I'm a typical woman. So of course I like the shoes and the clothes and all that stuff. But I definitely think I could do without and it make my life a little bit more simple.
We'll see how that goes.
When we put it all together.
And I said, it's not a big, the clothes part of it is not a big deal for me. Clothes
Mars
and
and
boots.
Venus, ladies. Mars and Venus.
Yeah, I know. Actually, it's Venus and Mars, but
Well,
that's
whatever.
all
That's
right. Same two planets.
And actually, while we're having this in front of my face, the other thing is we do also have his name is Harley, and he is a Queensland healer. And,
He's really old.
yeah, and it's going to be a little bit more difficult for him to get up and down the steps.
So I'm going to build him a ramp,
Yeah.
and we'll just ramp him up the stairs. He's not moving too well, so but we love him, and he's got to go.
Yeah.
So
So
not go, I mean go with us.
that's what we want. All right. So the other thing is money. A lot of people think by doing the RV traveling and stuff that it's a lot less expensive.
That's
It's
not. We're trying to work out all that kind of stuff, and we're pretty surprised.
Yeah, well, very surprised. Actually.
Yeah, right. So living in an RV, unless you're boondocking the whole time, which is really not feasible, not for us anyway. It's not. It's going to be about the same price as it is to live right now.
Yeah.
So
In a standard house.
yeah, right. So it's a lot of people think that they're going to do it for less, and we've worked the numbers. And good luck to you if you can. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. Matter of fact, please get back to us if you can.
Yeah,
if
we
you
wanna
can find
know
a better way,
how you can do
we're
it.
all over it.
Yeah. So in our first video we've got the RV. No truck yet though.
No truck.
So it's sitting on the side there. But if you do payments on an RV, payments on the truck, maintenance, whether it doesn't matter what kind of vehicle, if you have an A-class, a fifth wheel, or whatever, you had the maintenance on that and insurance and all that stuff. So
Fuel.
it does, yeah. And then the wherever you stay, it's not free.
Right.
Not like you said, you boondock. So. Another pro is the activities. Actually, we're gonna hopefully get us a little bit more active, right, honey?
Yeah.
We want to try and we've kind of gotten a little bit.
Maybe walk.
Yeah, would be good.
Yeah, we'll see that. No hikes and stuff like that.
Hikes,
Yeah.
So getting a little bit more exercise. So I thought that would be a nice pro because everybody needs a little bit more of that. And we will be working. So we watched the work camp and all those other sites where you can work seasonal. When you do that, just so people know, the applications are a little bit different, and maybe on one of these other videos I might go over some of that stuff. But I think pretty much.
Yeah, we'll probably have to work some during our vacation, but
Our vacation
I'm
for
looking
life.
forward to it because I'm not going to be working where I am right now.
Yeah.
So I can go live somewhere else and work somewhere else and meet new people, live in different places. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be a wonderful thing.
And I think having some change in your life is good. I mean, that'd be like we both have been with our jobs for a long time. I'm like
Right.
almost 9 years, and you're what?
15, almost
15. At the same job, and I don't care. I used to only be at a job at 2 years. I couldn't take it, but so it'll be nice to have like a change of pace. And you know, the other benefit is if you don't like the job, you guess what?
Just keep. We'll hit you up.
And away we go.
Yeah, and we'll find something else to do. Yeah, I've worked almost my whole life, really,
Now work,
and
work.
I still have to work. I love to work, so it's a big part of me. So I'm gonna keep working.
But
I
maybe
can't
not as
really
much.
do nothing all the time.
Right.
So we'll work. So I'm looking forward to that too as well.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Well, I just thought of another pro that's kind of
Uh-oh.
cool. That if you don't like your neighbor, guess what?
let's get that.
We can
See,
leave.
I told you
Yeah,
we need to
see?
find the bleep button on here. I know there is one, but if we don't like our neighbors or
Or the
the
area.
neighbors don't like us, we're not moving.
Yeah.
They would have to leave. But no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, if we don't like our neighbors or where we're staying or whatever, we just hitch up. We just move out. And that's a huge pro for me. So, actually, like I said, I really have no cons in this thing. I'm ready to go. So as soon as we can get liquidated, that's a good word.
Yeah, very good word. Yeah.
Hey,
I
like that.
Yeah.
$5 word.
No, we'll have a word of the day.
Right.
What is the word of the day?
Liquidated.
Ah.
So as soon as we get liquidated, which we're working on right now, it's very hot where we live right now.
Yeah.
So nobody's going outside to do anything. So as soon as we get liquidated, and we'll pull the trigger on this thing. And like I said, I can't wait to get going. Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
That was way more than enough.
Yeah, we were going to try and keep them short, but it's not too bad. So if you have any input, we'd love to hear it because we're new into this. We don't know if we're doing it right, wrong, or whatever. But if you like us, please share and follow.
Right.
And then we also have a Facebook page of RVacation4Life. And then to kind of start generating some money for the future, we have rvmusthave.com.
Right. Oh, no S. Here, oh. Whoops, sorry, the
That's
bleep.
the only thing that we kind of rehearse. That's the only thing.
Right, because you can tell we don't rehearse anything. It just comes out.
But anyway, so we have a website and a Facebook on that also. So love you guys.
Yeah, well, there's some
whoops.
people out there that I'd like to give some shout outs to, and I will on our next video.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, actually, the
you
next
all know
video.
who you are. You've been very helpful to me.
Oh, in the RV.
Yeah, right. So
Yeah,
we'll
YouTubers.
give you some shout outs.
Yeah,
It'll come in our next video.
Yeah, we're YouTubers now.
Yes, right.
Oh, I was just gonna say something that I can't put.
Hopefully.
Oh, our next video.
Oh my God, there's going to be another one?
Yeah, so our next video, I'm kind of excited about this because this was a huge asset for us. I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to leave a little bit of, what do I want to say?
I don't even know what you're talking about, so that wouldn't work out for me.
So I will, well, just tune back and see, but I think it'll be very helpful. So if you're new getting into this, come back and see us, okay? All right, bye.
Bye.